As SERV Robotics is trying to grow beyond just sidewalk delivery robots for food, it's been making acquisitions and moving into new sectors like healthcare, while continuing to scale its urban delivery network. Through a $29 million stock acquisition of Diligent Robotics, SERV starts its move into indoor robotics environments, namely hospitals. Diligent's Moxie robot assists healthcare workers with routine tasks, such as transporting medications, lab samples, and supplies. These robots are currently deployed in more than 25 U.S. hospitals, like Northwestern Medicine, Christiana Care, and Rochester General Hospital, having completed over 1.25 million deliveries. Hospitals using Moxie typically generate $200,000 to $400,000 in annual revenue per facility, providing a more predictable recurring revenue model compared with SERV's food delivery operations. Since being founded in 2017, Diligent Robotics has raised over $100 million from investors, including Tiger Global Management, Canaan Partners, and True Ventures. After the acquisition, the company will operate as a subsidiary of SERV Robotics, with Diligent's founders continuing to lead its business. SERV's CEO Ali Kashani said the deal expands the scope of the company's physical AI platform, allowing robots to operate in multiple environments while generating more data and value. The deal includes a potential $5.3 million earnout tied to performance milestones and is expected to close soon, pending regulatory approvals. The healthcare move comes amid rapid expansion of SERV's core business in autonomous sidewalk delivery. In 2025, it deployed over 2,000 delivery robots, achieving its fleet target and representing a 20-fold increase during the year. SERV's robots operate in major metropolitan areas including Los Angeles, Atlanta, Dallas, Miami, Chicago, Fort Lauderdale, and Alexandria, with plans to add more cities in 2026. The robots operate with Level 4 autonomy and have a reported 99.8% delivery completion rate. SERV's expansion is supported by partnerships with delivery platforms such as Uber Eats and DoorDash, enabling food and retail deliveries in more than 110 high-density neighborhoods. Its Gen 3 robots are designed for higher volume operations and aim to reduce urban congestion and emissions by replacing traditional delivery vehicles. SERV has reported rapid revenue growth, but continues to operate at a loss as it invests heavily in expansion. In Q4 2025, it reported $0.9 million in revenue, up more than 400% year-over-year, and $2.7 million in total revenue for 2025, exceeding guidance. However, it still reported a negative EPS of -$0.34 and an adjusted EBITDA loss of about $28 million. Nonetheless, SERV maintains a good reputation among robotics investors for its leadership in last-mile robotics and AI delivery technology. This confidence was tested earlier, when SERV's rapid growth eventually generated community and regulatory challenges. In Chicago, local officials and residents have raised concerns about sidewalk robots, blocking accessibility routes, and interfering with pedestrians. Opposition in neighborhoods such as Wicker Park and Logan Square could limit further expansion unless approved by city authorities. A report from short seller The Bear Cave also highlighted incidents, such as robots blocking emergency vehicles or malfunctioning, while questioning whether SERV can meet investor expectations for tenfold revenue growth in 2026. Yet SERV still keeps rolling along and even rolls over some of these criticisms to a degree. Through its partnerships with major delivery platforms like Uber Eats and DoorDash, SERV has access to over 80% of the U.S. food delivery market. With a new partnership with White Castle expanding, reach further. Then, with the more regulated and controlled environment of hospitals, optimism has opened up for the possibility of healing opportunities from those critical episodes in Chicago. Another way to look for opportunities to heal and grow is with TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.